Activating SSL on Shopify is simple, as Shopify automatically provides SSL for all its stores. However, here's how to ensure it's activated and set up correctly. Verify SSL is enabled. Log into Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin and sign in. Go to Settings. In the bottom left corner of the Shopify admin panel, click on Settings. Select Domains. Under Online Store, click on Domains. Check SSL status. If SSL is enabled, you should see a green padlock icon next to your domain. Shopify automatically issues an SSL certificate for all stores using Shopify's default domain or a custom domain purchased through Shopify. Activate SSL for custom domains. If you're using a custom domain from a third-party provider, make sure the domain is correctly connected to Shopify. Shopify will automatically activate SSL for custom domains once they are fully connected and propagated. Force SSL on your site. To ensure your store uses HTTPS, make sure the Force SSL setting is enabled. Shopify does this automatically, but you can check by visiting the Preferences section under Online Store.